mental health and social equity. Hello everyone, esteemed judges, fellow students and friends. I'm Eric Oktapalu from Manuan Lahat. I stand before you today as a tiny man, both in stature and in presence, compared to many around me. I don't have big muscles, and I do not smoke. I know what it's like to be seen as a different in a world that often reward size, strength, or the ability to blend in. People sometimes ask, why don't you smoke? And why don't you bulk up? But to me, being healthy in my own way and staying true to myself means more important than fitting into someone else's idea of what cool or normal. I remember a time when I was standing in a circle of friends and everyone was passing around a cigarette. When it reached me, there was an uncomfortable pause, as if the air thickened with expectation. I could feel the eyes on me, waiting for me to do what everyone else did. But in that moment, I realized something. Sometimes making the right choice for yourself is the hardest thing to do, especially when it makes you stand out. That choice, however, shapes who you are, and it is that inner strength that matters most. Feeling different can be tough, whether it is your appearance, your habits, or what choice you make. Standing up in this way can make you feel isolated. This experience is not unique to me. It is something many of us go through. And it brings me to the theme of today's talk, mental health and social equity. Mental health is not just about what's happening inside your mind, but it is influenced by how society treats you, how you see yourself, and the pressure you feel to conform. Social equity means ensuring that everyone, no matter who they are, where they come from, how they look, has the chance to thrive and feel accepted. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, our world still struggles with this, especially youth feel the weight of expectation, whether it's about appearance, academic success, or fitting into social norms. This pressure can lead to anxiety, depression, or worse. We must change that. Mental health also means understanding that it is okay to be not okay. Too often, we push ourselves to meet societal standards without giving ourselves permission to step back, reflect, and taking care of our mental well-being. Seeking help or taking time to focus on our mental health is not a sign of weakness, but it is a form of strength. It is essential that we break the stigma around mental health issues and create spaces where people feel safe to talk about their struggles. Imagine if we all made an effort to value people for who they are, not what society expects them to be. And if we could support one another's mental health and push equity in how we treat others, we would create a world where no one can feel left out for being themselves. My dear friends, let's strive to make that world real. Let's begin with kindness, with understanding, and with standing up for each other. Okay guys, that's all about my speech, mental health and social equity. Eric Oktapalu from Manuan Lahat. Thank you.